Get into the 2021 Volkswagen Tiguan. This versatile Tiguan was built to keep up with your family's busy lifestyle. Standout fuel efficiency, available third-row seating, flexible interior configuration, and advanced safety and connectivity tech make road trips and errands easier than ever before. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: backup camera, floor mats, engine immobilizer. Don't miss the opportunity to enjoy the comfort and convenience this Tiguan has to offer. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.